guys, June 25th, 2020. Remember, I got a call from a lady that she got a shut-off valve above a water heater that's leaking.
Turn left on Carbashaw Street.
She wants me to go by there and fix it, so we'll have to go by there with our shock bite fittings and fix it. Be a Joe homeowner. Huh? We'll use shock bite fittings to fix things. Try to get you some shots when I get there.
Take the left.
I tried tightening the packing nut up, but it's leaking still from that valve, so we're gonna cut it out. We got a well here. I got it off. She's gonna go open up all the faucets upstairs. We're gonna drain it back through this water heater. Leave it off now. And drain it through this outside. Let's see if we can replace that valve. When in doubt, cut it out. The whole house is going to drain back, unfortunately. Alright, I got a compression valve. We'll put that in there. This will make it easier for me. I can't solder it with that water and all that. The main shutoff to the house might not be holding. I mean, there's a lot of options that it could. Be good like that. We have to tighten it, right? Six and 3/4. I don't have the top nut tight yet. It's always good to put a little bit of dope on there, a little Fritz, Mama, a little dope. That always helps with tightening it up. I gotta just tighten it up good. When in doubt, cut it out. I don't really use these a lot, these compression valves. If I need them, I got them in the truck. I try not to use them unless I have to. They're expensive. Alright. Solder that bottom now, will be good. Might have to put a slip coupling on there, I'm not sure yet. Maybe. Hope not. I'll be alright. I'll get it. Give it to you. How you doing? I'm gonna shut all the faucets off upstairs and we'll turn on the water. Hello? You want to shut all the faucets off? Okay. And then I'll turn the water back on. And we're going to have to bleed the water tank, so we're going to have to run the hot water to get the air out of the tank. Okay. But for now, just shut everything off. Let me know when you're ready. I did try tightening that packing nut up, but it just wasn't cooperating. Let me put a new one in there. I can turn the water back on. If you want to run the tub on hot, just on hot water, there'll be some air that comes out. Just run it till you get all the air out, because the tank, I drain the tank so it's full of air. Okay. So put the tub on hot, let it flush out, and then air will come out, and just stay there until water starts coming out, and then you can shut it off, and you can go around to all the faucets and get the air out. Oh, okay. To make sure you get a good flow and there's no blockage in the aerators. Okay. But do it through the tub first to get all the air out of the tank. Okay. So you have quite a bit of air coming out. Okay. And then do everything. Okay. Alright? Start this thing back up when she bleeds the air out. I don't see any leaks. It looks good. Never open this up unless it's brand new. This looks like a homeowner special. propane. Let's get the cover off it. Ain't looking so good, is it? Before I leave, I gotta start this tank up.